sprouts salad na?
Sprouts.
Green gram sprouts.
Green gram
Or
sprouts.
moong sprouts.
Moon sprouts.
Onion. Carrot. Cucumber. Tomato. Mango for taste. Okay. Chilies. Lemon juice. Groundnuts. And this is jeera powder and salt.
Jeera powder.
What did we prepare today? Sandwich. In sandwich, what we use? Carrot, tomato, capsicum, onion.
Yuvan takes pepper. Ansh, take capsicum. Nana, what is that? Butter. Yes.
Ata kannala pata hita lukka bita vandale tita slipa na lipa lago kamuka